Being myself ruined my life. The last 5 years, I've stepped more into my authentic self, and it's led to losing one of my best friends who I've known since I was 5 years old, losing money, really having a hard time keeping a job, haters. I've been called an evil witch by a fellow starseed influencer, and I've even gotten an email death threat. So why does this happen? When we step more into who we are, why do we get more resistance? Why does our life crumble apart when this happens? And my guess is because so many people are so unhealed and they don't want to do their inner work. So most people don't like people who are in their power. So they feel jealous. Meeting you reflects how much work they have to do on stepping into their confidence, their power, their success. I think people especially have problems with other women. And we saw this during the witch trials, how a woman who's in her divine, feminine, psychic powers gets burned, tortured, because they are a threat to the patriarchy. And yes, life was easier before I stepped full into my power. I had more people like me, I had more friends, I had less haters. I don't know if I had any haters back in the days. I have fewer friends now, but they truly love me, they truly support me, and I can be fully myself with them. So my life is not the same, but I feel like it's more rewarding now. So if this is something you're going through now, know that this falling apart of your life is just your old life that wasn't in alignment anyway. A better life for you is awaiting, and maybe it will take you longer to make more soul-aligned friends who truly support you, but it will be worth it. Let me know if this resonated, and love you so much.